The Chief Minister of Delhi has reacted for the first time after being attacked. We are getting this breaking news at this moment on the broadcast. Let's very quickly put out this tweet, that post on X that the Chief Minister has put out. It's in Hindi. Let me very quickly also read it and tell our viewers. The Chief Minister says, आज सुबह जन सुनवाई के दौरान मेरे ऊपर हुआ हमला केवल मेरे ऊपर नहीं बल्कि दिल्ली की सेवा और जनता की भलाई के हमारे संकल्प पर किया गया कायराना हमला है. She says that this is a cowardly attack not just on me but on the work that we are doing in the national capital. स्वाभाविक है कि इस हमले के बाद मैं सदमे में हूं. She says I'm in shock at this moment, परंतु अब बेहतर महसूस कर रही हूं. I'm feeling better. मैं सभी शुभचिंतकों से निवेदन करती हूं कि कृपया मुझसे मिलने के लिए परेशान ना हो. She is asking her well-wishers not to come and meet her. I will be with the public. I will be seen in the public very very soon. She says ऐसे हमले मेरे हौसले और जनता के संकल्प को नहीं तोड़ पाएंगे. I won't be deterred by these attacks on me. I will work with much more energy and for the people of Delhi and will be in between the people of Delhi. जन सुनवाई और जनता की समस्या का समाधान पहले की तरह गंभीरता से होगा. आपका विश्वास और समर्थन मेरी ताकत है. स्नेह आशीर्वाद शुभकामनाओं के लिए आभार. So she is thanking the people for also her well-wishers for asking about her well-being and speaking to her. She has also said that this is not going to deter her. She is in shock, but she will be back with much more energy to work for the people of Delhi. This is the first response of the Chief Minister of Delhi after she was attacked in the morning today, slapped, hair pulled, pushed, and the attacker has now been arrested by the Delhi police.